Hi, hello everyone. I'm Sushma, Training and Placement Executive, Directorate of Training and Placement, Geetham, Bangalore. Today we are going to have talk with our student Shri Harsha, who is placed in 3 different companies and who is going to be part of Tally. Hi Harsha, how are you?
Hi ma'am, I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing good. How are you spending your time in this lockdown?
Just watching series, playing games. Pretty boring ma'am. We work in the college very hard, so now it's basically free.
You can continue the same work at home. No, you have all the time reserved for these works only.
Well, based on my experience, I got to know that I will not get this time again in my life, so I'm just pretty chilling now.
Very good, very nice. Anyhow, you are enjoying your time, right? That is most important.
Yeah ma'am.
Are you missing Geetham campus or anything from Geetham?
Yeah, definitely I'm missing Geetham campus, but basically the people in the Geetham, all those friends, moments and all that, rushing near placement cell, working and all. Yeah, main important things.
You were working on GCGC project, right?
Yeah ma'am, I do.
How was that experience?
Well, first it started from, actually the foundation started from the internship project in the 3rd year. Said us to stay in the college and work on our own. That's where our fundamentals have been started building. So from that to, like, we are experiencing new things. We are like directly attached to the IT world out there. Like, we are building something real and something productive to our weightage too. It's like very real feeling, like we are doing project in a company. It's the same field because we are learning new things, we are just adding more things and all. But it was fun to, like, knowing many things, having chatting with friends and higher officials and all. It was pretty fun and interesting, I'd say, at last.
What is that one thing that you are missing the most in the campus, or what you are going to miss it?
One thing in the whole, many things, like it's pretty hard actually, but mostly the vibes that we had in college, that everything is ours, we can do, we already did, we achieved something, that it all are positive vibes and all, like helping vibes, friends and all that. Those vibes, very important, positive vibes, I'll be missing that. It takes a lot of time to build at some other place.
Okay, very nice. Harsha, you are placed in 3 companies and you decided to join a Tally, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So, how was your preparation for the placements? How could you crack these interviews? How was your experience, overall experience?
Well, my placements preparation started from the 2nd year itself, ma'am, when we got into M-Code and all. There I got little bit interested in coding. So in M-Code 1, 2 and 3 we got about coding and advanced level of coding and all. And we also had these extra courses in the college, right? Delhi MC certification courses, Java full stack courses and all. So even I did that. So it was on the same track. We don't know that. So even with these certificates and with these courses and with these coding abilities and all, then we got little bit tricks and tips set by our placement department, and also some of the people that placement department invited and all. So basically with all that, we just had help and we just said what they asked us to do, and that's how we got them. It was basically simple. We just did what they asked us to do. That's it.
Oh.
I got it.
Okay, very nice. Is there anything that you would like to suggest for your juniors, like how they can prepare for the placements? And now in this pandemic situation, do you think it is going to affect the placements?
Well, in this pandemic situation, whatever happens after we get through this, there will be again same work, same jobs and all. There will be requirement, there will be invention and all. So this pandemic may slow down the process, but it will not reduce anything. It will be on the same track. The suggestions I want to give to juniors is that just be yourself. Do whatever the placement cell said. Don't be like, oh, my friend said it's all waste and also I'm not doing it. You friend don't know anything. More experience is with the placement cell. So when someone with more experience in saying something, just listen and just do it. That's it. You don't have to work very hard for the placement. You just have to listen, be calm, be patient, learn whatever is given to you. You are just ready. If you want to improve more than yourself, do some self-studying. That's it. You don't need to be like very tensed and all. Just be calm, be yourself. You'll get it in your hands.
Very nice. I hope your words will inspire few students of Geetham or any other student who are ready to be a part of placements and trying to get a job. Being so deterministic or a hardworking person, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I want to look myself to be capable of starting my own company. And I don't know if it's going to happen or not, but that's where I want to see myself.
Very all the best for that one. We wish you start a new company and wish you a very good luck for that one. Hope you will reach your dreams at the earliest very soon.
Thank you.
Anything else you would like to speak, Harsha, that you want to thank someone or anything that you would like to say?
Yeah, if it comes to thanking and all, firstly, I have to thank my placement cell because they gave every book to read, to say in a precise way, everything to read. I just went there and I just read and I just got it. And second important thanks to my super friends. They were always there pushing me and all. When I was down, they lifted me. I lifted them. It's like mutual. It was a competition between friends too, but healthy competition. So everyone was studying, everyone was growing and all. So I just want to say thank you because I basically am very lazy person. So, but when they are pushing me and all, I was like, okay, let's go. But when I got that velocity and all, I was pushing them. Okay, come on, if they are getting down and all. It's like all the combination between all the super friends and all, they were just great. I can say that without them, this would not be there. I can say it for sure.
Very good, sir. I feel that listening to your words that you have got very good friends who supported you in all the situations.
Yeah, ma'am. Very good.
Very nice, Harsha. Very nice to hear those words. Okay, and I thank you for bearing this time with us to share your experience. How was your preparations for the placement? Thank you so much for that one. And we wish you all the very best for your bright future. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It's always pleasure talking about these things.
Thank you, Harsha.
Thank you, ma'am.